There's a dream we all share. I have it. You have it. You're stuck in traffic, watching brake lights stretch into the distance. Or you're inching forward in a long airport security line, shoes in your hand, laptop in a plastic tray, patience running out. And you think, wouldn't it be amazing if I could just press a button and instantly appear in Paris? No flights, no jet lag, no lost luggage. Just fade out here, fade in there. Clean, effortless, total freedom. Science fiction makes it look easy. Beam me up, a shimmer of light, and you're gone. But nature doesn't work like a movie set. The universe keeps strict accounts. It doesn't let you cheat the laws of physics. And when you seriously examine what it would take to move a human being instantly from one place to another, you discover something unsettling. Teleportation, as we imagine it, isn't really travel at all. It's destruction followed by duplication. If we built a transporter based on the quantum mechanics we know today, here's what would happen. You step into the machine, press the button, and the system scans you completely. Every atom, every neuron, every quantum state. Then it reconstructs that information somewhere else. The person who appears on the other side looks exactly like you, thinks like you, remembers stepping into the booth. But you, the original, would be gone. To understand why, we have to ask a deeper question. What are you? At the most basic level, you're a collection of atoms, about 7 octillion of them. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, all arranged in an incredibly precise pattern. That pattern encodes your memories, your personality, your fears, your favorite music. The pattern is what makes you you. Now imagine we want to move you to Mars. There are 2 options. The first is simple. Put you in a rocket and physically transport your atoms across space. It's slow and expensive, but it preserves continuity. You remain the same physical being throughout the journey. The second option is what teleportation proposes. Don't move the atoms, move the pattern. Scan every detail of your body, transmit the data, and rebuild you from new atoms at the destination, like sending a digital file and printing it somewhere else. Sounds reasonable until quantum physics steps in. There's a principle called the no-cloning theorem. It tells us that you cannot make a perfect copy of an unknown quantum state without disturbing the original. The act of measuring a particle precisely changes it. You cannot extract all its information without destroying its original condition. So to scan you perfectly, the machine would have to dismantle you at the deepest level, atom by atom. The scanning process itself would destroy the original structure that sustains your consciousness. You wouldn't travel. You would be vaporized. Meanwhile, the information would stream across space. On Mars, a machine would assemble new atoms into the exact same pattern. The heart would start beating. The brain would activate. The eyes would open. And that person would say, "Wow, that was fast." He would remember Earth. He would remember stepping into the booth. He would believe he is you. But the stream of consciousness that began in your childhood and led to that moment on Earth, that stream would have ended. The Mars version would be a new stream that merely contains the same memories. Here's the uncomfortable part. If the copy is perfect, does it matter? If you burn a book and buy another identical copy, the story is the same. But a human being isn't just a story on paper. We care about continuity. We care that it is this awareness, this particular point of view, that continues. Imagine someone says, "I'm going to painlessly destroy you, but don't worry. I'll create a flawless duplicate who will love your family and finish your work." Would you agree? Of course not. The copy's experiences wouldn't be yours. You care about the light behind your own eyes. And yet, there's a strange twist. Every night when you fall asleep, your conscious awareness fades. For hours, there is no active experience. Then you wake up and resume your life as if nothing happened. You assume continuity. But how can you be certain the consciousness that wakes up is the same one that went to sleep? Maybe identity isn't about specific atoms. After all, your body gradually replaces its atoms over time. Maybe you are more like a wave in the ocean. The water molecules change constantly, but the wave pattern continues moving forward. Perhaps you are not the matter, but the pattern. Still, there's a difference between gradual change and total destruction. In sleep, your brain remains physically intact. In teleportation, the original structure would be completely dismantled. So if you asked me whether I would step into such a machine, I'd choose the rocket instead. It may be slower, cramped, and uncomfortable, But when I arrive and look out at the red dust of Mars, I'll know it's the same continuous awareness that left Earth. The universe is full of wonders, black holes, quantum entanglement, the strange behavior of light. But the most precious thing you possess is the unbroken thread of your own experience. That's not a button I'm willing to gamble with.